Well, good morning. This is Shop Talk with Buck. I am Buck, and welcome to my shop. Today, I'm going to show you how you can take a board, cut her right in the middle on a 45, where you have two equal pieces. Stick with me and I'll show you how we're going to do it. What we're working with today is what they call a 1x6. So a 1x6 is actually 5.5 by 3/4. First thing you do, set your blade on 45 degrees. I've always had good luck with these digital gauges. So my blade's on 45 degrees. Now we're going to set our fence. The board we're working with is 5.5 inches. So half of 5.5 is 2 3/4. So we move to 2 3/4. Okay, now you take the thickness, divide it in halves. So 3/4, 3/8. So we take out 3/8. 1, 2, 3. All right, now you have to take out half the thickness of your blade. We're using a 3/32 blade, so you move it to 3/64. So it is just before 2 5, just above 2 5/16. So the board we're working with, just as a recap, is 5.5 inches. Half that's 2 3/4. So now we subtract half the thickness of the board, so it's half the width, half the thickness. That puts it at 2 3/8. So half 3/4, 3/8. Now we take the kerf of the saw blade. I'm using a 3/32, so you subtract another 3/64. And it puts it a 64th over 5/16, 2 5/16. So that should be the center. So let's run one through and just see if it ain't. So what I've done, I went ahead and took advantage of a featherboard. I'm going to use these push blocks, micro jigs, where I have complete control all the way through. I got rollers setting up at both ends on the off feed and in feed side, where the board's 8 foot. So this will give us a good test. What we've got here is hopefully 2 halves the same thick width. So using that method right there, they are the exact same height. Well, I've been working on cutting some French cleats, working on a French cleat wall, and the challenge was to take a board, cut a 45 right in the middle, and then have 2 equal pieces. And you would think it's difficult to do, but really, if you move the fence, half thickness of the total width of the board, half that, the width, then the thickness, move it again, half the thickness, 3/4 was 3/8. And then what you always forget is the blade. I'm using a 3/32. If easy figure, if you had a blade to cut an 1/8, you just move it an additional 1/16 of an inch and you'll have it. So half the width, half the thickness, and half the kerf. And it'll put you right in the middle. Of course, that blade needs to be dead on 45. to do that. Don't know if I know it'll work on 45. If I come up with some scraps, I'm gonna say, for instance, I went to a 30-degree angle. I don't believe it'll work, because a 45, the vertical and horizontal are the same to make a 45. I bet it won't work. I'll try that out one of these days. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest of these French cleats and see if we can get my French cleat wall headed in the right directions. So that's gonna do me here. Thought I would said it's really simpler than you think. They're dead on, exactly the same height. So y'all be safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.